Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Panera chicken noodle soup. First, we build the flavorful base. Start by melting 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter or olive oil in a large pot. Then, add 1 cup of diced onion, 1 cup of diced carrots, and 3/4 cup of diced celery. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Next, pour in 6 cups of rich chicken broth, adding 2 bay leaves and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Now let's add the star of our soup, the chicken. For ease and tender results, incorporate about 3 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. If using raw chicken, cook it in the broth until done, then shred and return it to the pot. Ensure your carrots and celery are cut into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and are pleasant to eat. For an extra layer of savory goodness, stir in 1 teaspoon of chicken base or bouillon, which truly enhances the overall chicken flavor. The noodles are next. Once your soup is simmering steadily, add 6 ounces of wide egg noodles. Cook them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes or until they are perfectly al dente, meaning they are tender but still have a slight bite. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become mushy. Now is also the time to season your soup. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for a lovely golden hue and subtle flavor. We're almost ready to enjoy this comforting soup. Before serving, remember to carefully remove and discard the 2 bay leaves from the pot. This ensures a smooth texture and prevents any unexpected strong flavors. Give the soup a final taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or any other seasonings to your personal preference. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and, for a fresh and vibrant touch, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley. Enjoy your homemade Panera-style chicken noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.